Hello students, good morning all of you. Dear students, this class 7th science, okay. So dear students, we have learned the last chapter is transfer of heat, okay. So I hope you have all understood that the different ways of transfer of heat, conduction, convection and radiation very clearly, okay. So how can we know about this? Let's solve some questions, okay. So dear students, time to practice the questions, okay. If we practice questions with this explanation, so our concepts of that word and very clear, okay. Let's see. We will talk about the practice questions of the chapter, the MCQs, true false, fill in the blanks and one word answer, okay. So students, let's start to solve the questions. First exercise A, MCQs. Question number 1. An umbrella to be used to prevent direct exposure from the sun should be. Okay, so एक umbrella जो है उसको किस कलर का होना चाहिए? Their options are white, black, dark brown, any color. So you know students, black color absorbs maximum of radiations. Okay, and we should not use only direct white color umbrellas. Okay, so here the question is somewhat tricky. So we should use the black color umbrellas inside. Okay, so the umbrella should be black color from inside and of light color from outside. Okay, so we can write the black color as a option, right option. Okay, because white we can't use totally white. Okay, and it looks very bright color, and dark brown. Okay, dark brown should not use, and any color we can't say. Okay, now second question, in hot desert areas which of the following materials should be used to make a rooftop? You know, is asbestos. Okay, so asbestos क्या है? हॉट एरियाज में क्या करता है, एस्बेस्टस को छतों के ऊपर लगाए जाते हैं बिकॉज इट एब्जॉर्ब्स मिनिमम रेडिएशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, cooking vessels cannot be made of. Okay, so you can easily understand that the all three options like aluminium, steel, iron utensils are made. Okay, but wood utensil cannot be made because it cut fire and it's a bad conductor also. Okay, now next question is, the following is not one of the modes of transfer of heat. Okay, so it's very easy. Here motion of objects is right answer. Now ocean currents are caused due to this present in ocean water. Okay, you know ocean water is liquid, so in liquids convections occur. Okay, so answer is convection. Now conduction of heat can take place through only solids. Okay, very easy questions. Next question is, which color absorbs minimum radiation? Okay, so dear students, you know light color absorbs minimum radiation. So here options are white, black, yellow and silver. Okay, so here two options are right, white and silver. Okay, so white and silver absorbs minimum radiations. Okay, so you can also write white as a right answer and silver as a right answer. Okay, now next exercise is fill in the blanks. Okay, the question number 1, conduction cannot take place in liquids and gases. Okay, conduction can take place only in solids, you know very well. Now next question is, woolens prevent the what to flow out to the cold surroundings. So woolens prevent the heat from our body to flow out to the cold surroundings. Okay, so यहाँ पे fill in the blanks में क्या होना चाहिए, heat. Okay, the next question is, air is a what conductor of heat? So air is a bad conductor of heat. Okay, now the mode of transfer of heat which requires no contact or medium is known as what type of transfer of heat? Okay, it's radiation. Okay, so radiation no requires any type of material medium. Okay, now next question is, heat cannot travel through convection in solids. Okay, convection can take place only in liquids and gases, not in solids. Okay, so यहाँ पे आंसर होना क्या चाहिए आपका, heat cannot travel through convection in solids. So the next exercise, write true or false against each statement. Question number first, heat flows from a body at higher temperature to another when the two are in contact. A heat flows when two are in contact, okay, and there is temperature difference. One is have higher temperature, another is low temperature, okay. So but one is exception, that is radiation, okay. In radiation process there is no contact or no medium between two bodies, okay. But here it is only for as a natural phenomena, so we can say it's a right statement, okay. So heat flows from a body at higher temperature to another when the two are in contact, okay. Now next, woolens are helpful in keeping us warm because they have air enclosed in them. Yes, absolutely. Woolens have uh, spaces between their fibers, okay, and these spaces are filled with air, and air is a bad conductor of heat, so air helps in the keeping us body warm, okay. Now next, metals are poor conductors of heat. No, or you can see in your house that utensils, okay, cooking utensils like bhagona, pressure cooker are made up of aluminum and metals, okay. So metals are the good conductor of heat, okay. इसके अंदर heat के लिए conductivity होती है, तो this statement is false. Next, convection currents can occur in solids. No, convection current occurs only in liquids and gases, not in solids. Next is, black color absorbs maximum of thermal radiation. Yes, dark color, black is a dark color, so dark colored substances absorbs maximum of thermal radiation, okay. So this statement is right. Next exercise, answer in one word. Okay, so question number first, the mode of transfer of heat from one particle to another in solids. So this type of transfer of heat is where it occurs in solids is conduction, okay. Next, the transfer of heat due to actual movement of the heated particles within the medium, okay. सो मीडियम के अंदर जो पार्टिकल्स मूव करते हैं उनकी वजह से जो ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ हीट हो रहा है दैट इज़ कन्वेक्शन, ओके. कन्वेक्शन में ही पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत ही दूर होते हैं एक दूसरे से. सो इसमें क्या होता है कि जो हीटेड पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो मूव करते हैं, ठीक है, उनके मूवमेंट से जो है वो ट्रांसफ़र हो रहा होता है, ठीक है. बट सॉलिड्स में क्या होते हैं, उनके पार्टिकल्स बहुत ही पास होते हैं तो वो वाइब्रेट करते हैं, ओके. सो सेकेंड वन का आंसर क्या होगा, कन्वेक्शन, ओके. नाउ third one is, the heat transfer from the source to a cold object without contact or medium between them, okay. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि there is no medium, okay. So which type of transfer of heat is a radiation, okay. Very easy. यहाँ पे तीनों जो हमने पढ़ा था उसको जो है अलग अलग इनके आपका जो है अलग अलग कॉन्सेप्ट्स रख के रखा है, ठीक है. क्लियर है? आई थिंक इट्स वेरी क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. 3 ways of transfer of heat: conduction, convection and radiation.